इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for this webinar. Franchise India team welcomes each one of you to Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is the brand, is the platform which is helping all international and national brands to expand their franchise business with our pan-India offices. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in getting the business solutions suggestions from our side. This particular webinar is hosted by management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, we'll try to represent the brand of the day. We'll take complete and correct understanding from brand's representative who have joined us today, as well as we'll take all your queries. The brand which we are representing today on the platform of Franchise India through this webinar is Misalwala. The brand, the journey started in 1984, and today they enjoy the status of serving quality food for 35 years. They are already operational with 7 units, including 4 franchise around Pune. And we welcome Mr. Vittal to talk about the brand. Thank you so much, Mr. Vittal, for joining in today. We welcome you and invite you to present your brand with all our dear participants who have joined us digitally. Over to you, sir.
Hi, very good afternoon. This is Vithal, and I'm a partner of Misrwala. Thanks for introducing me. And I just want to start with the journey of Misrwala. The journey of Misrwala start in 1984. Mr. Shrikant Gadge, who is a farmer, and he started his Misal restaurant in Parner. Parner is a place which is in Ahmednagar district, Maharashtra. It's a small town actually. So he started his misal business in 1984. So his son, Mr. Vishwas, he is a piping engineer, and he decided to continue with this business in an organized way. So we are the 3 partners, me, Vishwas, and Umesh. Actually, we are school friends, and we decided to convert this Misalwala taste in an organized brand. So in 2019, we decided to form a module, a franchisee model, and spread this taste of unique misal in all over the India. So that was the beginning. So we one day we sit in 2019 and we started to design a model. So there were some hurdles in front of us how to create the model first part, as it is a food model, so it should be like very simple way, because everyone is agree that food industry is a fastest growing industry, but the major problem is what ki, it's little bit of tedious and it's having a lot of perishable things, so it will become very difficult to manage the things. So our basic understanding was to create a very easy module which is very friendly to the franchisee owner, and it should be like easy going model. So we were start to work on it, and then we proceed accordingly. Next slide. Okay, so when we decided, the point was in front of mind, as misal is a traditional food. It's a traditional food, and it's in Maharashtra since last number of decades. So the major task was to providing this traditional food to the new generation also and to the old generation also. So we decided to make a structure like this. It should be attract to new people also and the old people also, because as the traditional we was very keen about the traditional taste, and we are very keen about to attract the young crowd also to come and see to enjoy misal wala as a brand and the taste of our misal. So that's the reason we form a module. It's a if you see our interior structure also in presentation, it's a unique European vintage theme actually we carry. So it's a pleasant atmosphere what we are keeping over there, so that the young crowd get attracted. This is one part. Second part about Misal the taste what we are carrying, it's since last 1984. So we are keeping the same taste, because we are not very much keen to do the experiments in taste. So we are keeping the same authentic taste. The masalas we prepared in-house, the farsan we prepared in-house. So we are keeping the same taste and same flavor since last 35 years. Now the thing is that what dynamics or what type of structure need to be happen. So for Misal franchisee, place required is around 300 to 400 square feet, which is very much sufficient for 24 sittings. We are giving 24 sittings, which is ideally sufficient for a franchisee outlet. In this case, out of this 300 to 400 square feet, the kitchen area required is around 80 to 100 square feet, which is more than sufficient, because we're having a range of products, and the products preparation we design in such a way that this much of kitchen is more than sufficient, to smoothen the operation, or the to keeping the operation in a smooth way. So this is something like this about the sitting and dining up, Mr. Wala. 80% generally food, it's on dine, 20% is delivery and takeaway. So majorly, misal is a product where people, like to sit in an outlet and enjoy it, because this is the mixture where, which you can sit ideally on the table and you have it. That is the ideal way to eat misal. It's not like you take it parcel. So people like to prefer it. 80% people like to sit in dine and they have misal. Average business we expect in misal business, as Maharashtrian people, they are very keen about misal as a product, and now the misal wala as a brand also, people are recognizing it in very well. If you see some of the posts on Insta, some of the posts on Facebook, they are crossing thousands and thousands of views and likes on Facebook and Insta too. So the acceptance of customers are very high. First point. Second point, the reputation of customer is very high, because as per my understanding, if your clients are repeating in your outlet, means your product is very good, and they love your taste. Then the mouth publicity of the clients is increasing day by day, because as there was some bad patch pandemic situation was there, now the market is releasing. Currently it is released up to 35 to 40%, but we are expecting in next 1 and 1.5 months the things will be changed absolutely drastic, and the market will be open 100%, and the things will be changed more positively. So the current response is absolutely satisfied with the misal wala, and in coming days we are expecting much higher response for misal wala too. So this is our menu card. We are having varieties of misals. We are having our authentic misal, the masala of misal we prepared at our own end. This is purely a homemade masala we used, and if you taste it, definitely you can understand the difference. Then we are having different products of misals, like we are having the curd misal, we are having the cheese misal, we are having the matka misal, we are having Kolhapuri flavor misal, we are having chatpata misal, which is a different flavor what we launched, which is not mentioned in this menu card, but it's there. So there are around 18 to 20 varieties of missiles we provide with the authentic masala base and the different flavor what we're having. So definitely a young crowd particularly, they are very much enjoying our misal chatpata, and misal Kolhapuri is again an iconic product. So everyone love to taste our misal Kolhapuri and our the basic misal thali also. Our main product which people, which we customer admired a lot, that is misal thali. It's a unique shahi misal thali. When you keep it in front of when the clients see the thali, they get excited. We love to see their wow face at the same time. So that is something very great product which we are having, and people love to have it actually. So we are having some aligned products also, like vada pav we are having, that is we are having the unique taste. Then pav patties, kanda bhaji, gol bhaji. So there are varieties of bhajis also we are having. Then tarri vada, double tarri vada. These are the products. These are the aligned products which we are offering with our misal product. So this is something about our menu card and the products what we are offering. In coming days also we are planning few more additional products, which is absolutely people love to eat that product. So we are having a few products additionally in coming days, but currently we are not committing on it. Yeah, Sonia. So these are the few photographs, our products. If you see upper side on left, it's our misal, plain misal. This is our plain misal. Then you can see buttermilk. Then the delicious vada pav, what we are having, the key products, one of the very key products of us. Then kanda bhaji on the next row. Then sol kadhi, it's again Kokni drink. It's a preferred in Konkan, so we are introduced that also here, and we're having the bhel over here in the slide also. So these are our some key products, and some of the aligned products what we are serving. Yeah, when we come on billing section, or what products, what customer need to pay, because customer are very keen where when they are paying for the food, because now the scenario is what people like good food also, and it should be like pocket friendly. So if you see Misal Wala average food cost for two people, it's around 150 to 170 rupees max to max. That is including the missile, or if they can take a tea also additionally. So the total billing cost is around 150 rupees. There are some of the customer views also, you can see on presentation also, you can see on Instagram also. So you will find hundreds and hundreds of good feedbacks from customer. Overall the review is good, the ratings is around 4.2, 4.3 in market. I just want to add one more point in this: the products which we offer is absolutely freshly prepared. Like we are not keeping any products to prepared in the morning and we are serving the whole day. No, if there is order for any aligned products also, we prepared it freshly with the same time, and we offer it to customers, so that the product maintain its authenticity, the taste, the flavor, and the freshness of the products. So this is one of the point which I just want to highlight over here. Okay. Currently, we are in Pune. We are having total 7 outlets in Pune currently. We are in Hinjewadi, Magarpatta, Khadki, Bavdhan, Kothurud, Nanded Fata recently we started, and now the new outlet we are under working, that is in Wakad. So that is our 7th outlet. So 3 outlets are company outlet and 4 outlets are the franchisee outlets currently what we are having. we are keen to work in Maharashtra particularly, then North Karnataka and Gujarat, where a number of Maharashtrian people are staying, and other than Maharashtrian people also in this particular area, they are very keen about misal and they love to have misal. So in Maharashtra, if you see, our focus area is Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Kolhapur, Solapur, Nagpur, Nasik, Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Jalgaon, Satara. All A towns, B towns, and C towns. All three locations, all three phases of cities we are working. And in North Karnataka, again, Belgaum, Gulbarga, Bijapur, Bidal, Raichur, Balgota, Garwad, and Kopar. These are the locations we are working. And again, there are Surat, then Ahmedabad. These are the big location in Gujarat where we are, keen to open our outlets in form of individual, in form of master franchisee model, in terms of group outlet starting line. Okay, when we come on unit dynamics, like this model, when we decided this model, the things was in front of us. We need to prepare such a model which is absolutely affordable for the customer, from franchisee owner, those who want to take the franchisee. So module was absolutely affordable. Like if someone want to invest with Misal his return of investment need to be get covered in a span of 12 months to 15 months. That is the basic agenda was behind it. So that's the reason we decided amount, that is the total investment amount is 8 lakhs rupees. This is including the total cost of the structure. This is including the franchisee fees. This is the total cost where we are giving the complete outlet trading. If I want to bifurcate it, then interior and fit out cost is 5 lakhs rupees and franchisee fees cost is around 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. That is vary from location to location. So again, this is 8 lakhs rupees is the total cost which is over here. If you see the revenue part of this, and it's in a very simple way, there are 65 to 70 bills happen daily basis with average bill value is 150 rupees. Then the monthly turnover is around 3 lakhs rupees of that particular outlet. Annually, again, it comes to 35 to 36 lakhs of total business. And if you considering all the costs like normal food cost or the overhead cost like royalty, digital marketing contribution, HR, rent, local marketing, other expenses, excluding all, net margin is around 20% to 25%, max to max on 30%. Also, it's depend on the range in that particular area. So according to this, the total payback time, the total return of investment time is around 15 to 16 months. So the basic contract with Misalwala with the franchisee is for 5 years, but the return of investment is ideally 12, 15 or 16 months max to max, which is a very ideal scenario to start with any business or any franchisee model. So this is something about the dynamics what we're having, like the cost and the expenses. One more point I just want to add, which is the key point of us. Majorly, we are charging only a fixed amount of franchisee fees. That is royalty fees I'm talking about, not franchisee fees. Royalty fees, we are charging fixed amount of royalty. The best part is what? This is not connected to what business the franchise do. If franchisees do a business of 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, still we are charging only 10,000 rupees standard royalty. And this is absolutely beneficial for the franchises because normally in franchisee model, it gets changed in percentage. So we are not keen about the percentage. We just keep it on 10,000 on lower side so that the franchisee also, a good amount of profit in their own outlet. Yeah, Sunil. Yeah, the key skill sets like successful aspiring entrepreneur, corporate employees looking to become. This model is particular. I just want to add few things that this model we prepared for those people who are majorly not related to hotel industry, because there are everyone knows that food industry is an industry which is fastest growing industry. First part, it's highly earning industry. The food margin is margin is very good in this industry. But there are some factors where people don't want to enter in this industry. Reason being is that they know there are a lot of troubles while running this industry. Like the chef is a major problem. If you don't have chef, then you can't run with your outlet. Then second part is that the process, the product, the wastages, these are major and crucial factor while running any food outlet. So we overcome all these problems and we find a solution and make very simple and easy process to run the Misrwala outlet. So any person who is not having any experience about food industry, they can easily run our Misrwala brand. So this is the most important part. Only the thing is that they need to follow all the process and guidelines what Misrwala giving very strictly, very stringently. These are the basic things. If they follow, then definitely the outlet will be run in a very in nicely, absolutely in a good way. So this is one factor where we can highlight. Then those who are in hotel industry, they can also work with the renewed Misrwala brand with the process what we are defining. So anyone can work with Misrwala as a franchisee model. Those who are beginners and those who are having the experience, those who are from food industry, those who are not from food industry. So this module is suitable for everyone. This model is suitable for the professionals also, and this model is suitable for housewife also if they want to enter in this business. So this is something about the franchisee model what we are having. Again, this point we already had a discussion. Those who want to invest on in a bulk way, like if they want to take charge of that particular city, if somebody want to take the whole Nasik, or if somebody want to take the whole Nagpur, so they can go through this model, and the investment and everything is mentioned over here. So we can sell individual outlets also, and those who are interested to buy multiple outlets or the master franchise outlet also, so they are also always welcome and the discussions will be on. What support Misrwala is providing? First thing is that the brand and the legacy. Misrwala brands itself, now lakhs and lakhs people knows about Misrwala brand in Pune and the periphery, and the Insta and Facebook post is a clear example for this. Legacy of 35 years, the same taste what we are maintaining since last 35 years. So the legacy of taste since 1984. The complete process of running the outlet, a scientific process, what to do, how to do, when to do, and why to do. So these are all the parameters, and the process is completely defined on paper. So definitely, the franchisee and the franchisor on same page, and the outlet get runs in a very simpler and easier way. Pre-opening, we do like site finder and finalizing assistance. So as a Misrwala, we are helping to find out the place, because the spot is most important factor before you start your own business. Because if the spot is okay, then definitely it will do a very high push to increase your business. So initially Misrwala help to suggest you the spot. First part, they can, if you're having some properties with you, so Misrwala help to choose out of them one to start the franchise. Then we're having the architectural support. So the whole interior, the furniture, equipments, everything is standardized and is provided by us only. So definitely you can see the same thing in any of our current outlets also. Training is most important factor, and we are very keen about the training, the guidance, because if you are having the process but the training is not up to the mark, then the processes get spoiled. So we are very keen about training, and it's on regular intervals. So we do trainings on regular basis, then always there is a checkup, then there is a regular monthly audits we do for the outlet, like cleaning audits, inventory audits, staff hygiene audits, outlet hygiene audits. So all type of audits we do on regular basis. The training it's on regular basis. And the business understanding, business support on regular basis. So this is all things we give, pre-opening also and the post-opening also. Supply chain, we don't have any issues for supply chain, so we can supply the products anywhere in India. So supply chain is absolutely strong, and we are able to supply anywhere in decided area the goods. Post operating and ongoing cost, weekly supply for misal, gravy, and farsan that we can do very comfortably. The gravy masala and the farsan, these two are our key factors, which we are only providing the same products, masala and gravy, only use outlet to prepare the misal. Okay, local store marketing plans. Again, we are doing the same. Like, what are the marketings? Every area is having their own sense and own marketing strategies. So we definitely support there to do their local marketings. We guide them what is required for this particular area to do marketing, and what additionally we can do much better to increase the business, or elaborate the branch in the brand in that particular area. So definitely we do a lot many local marketings also in that particular area with the help of the franchisee. So product supplies and prevention terms and standards of operation. So the standard of operation is already decided. So the same standard is need to follow by the franchisee, what given by the Mr. Wala. The standards are absolutely finalized. They need to follow the same standard as per the given, so that the process and the taste and the quality is maintained same everywhere in each and every outlet. Yes. So this is something about Misal Wala, and I hope the points are clear. Is there is something need to add, Sonia?
Thanks so much, Vithalji. Thanks for the presentation. And I do see a lot of people commenting and asking questions. And before we start the questions, I'll also give maybe a recap of the entire presentation. And just to add, because a lot of people were asking what exactly is the product misal. So it's a very popular spicy dish in Maharashtra, which also represents the entire Maharashtrian community, and it remains a very favorite all-day snack, very easy to make, affordable ingredients, and hence the cost of food. Typically, every food cost industry, if you see most of the outlets, the food cost would vary between 30 to 35%. So in this particular category, your food cost remains low. It is about 25%. And also this product comes a lot of variations across the state, I would say. So Pune might like maybe a toned down spices, but Mumbaikars would prefer it very spicy. So the product is very, very versatile product. And on the model, there's only one model, friends, that we are promoting. It is 300 to 400 square feet. It also comes with a fixed royalty structure. If we take a projection of 3 lakhs, which is realistic for a small format like this, and we convert that 10,000 royalty to a percentage, it comes to around 3.5% against the industry norm of 6%. So normally any food outlet would charge about 6 to 8% royalties on the food. And in this case, it's a fixed royalty of 10,000, irrespective of the revenue that you would make, with an APC of 150 of 2 people. And also, I would say there are two formats, which is conversion. Somebody already running an outlet can also convert, and also multi-unit franchisees opportunity available along with the master franchisee. So Vithalji, before I take up the questions, while you elaborated on the unit model quite extensively, I like to pick on the master franchisee as well. You talked about an investment of 50 lakhs overall with certain number of units that could come under him. So if we can start with explaining what locations are we looking for a master franchisee, franchisee within Maharashtra and outside Maharashtra? And how are we segregating territories, one? And second, what kind of financial structure would remain between the master franchisee, the parent, which is you, and the unit franchisees down the line, which means what kind of sharing would happen on the fees overall?
Okay. For master franchisees, we are open with all B towns like Nagpur, Nasik, Kolhapur, Sholapur, in Maharashtra particularly. Again, the same in North Karnataka also, we are very keen about all B towns places where we can give master franchises. This is one part. What was your second question like?
I said, what locations are we open? Because आपने cities mentioned किए. So what I'm assuming is we are not offering an entire state, but we are offering a city-based franchise.
We are offering city-based franchises perfectly.
All right. So it's a city-based franchise model with an investment of 50 lakhs. So Vittalji, can you give maybe elaboration on where this 50 lakhs is deployed? How much of that goes as a master franchise fees? Are we also including the fee towards the first unit in this fee? How does it work out? And अपने नीचे एक master franchisee कितने units खोल सकते हैं? क्या sharing रहती है between a master and a unit franchisee? And what percentage as a share commission goes to you as a parent? तो क्या अर्निंग पोटेंशियल रहेगा हमारा इन अ नटशेल फॉर अ मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी?
Master franchisee currently we are at initial phase actually. We are not providing the master franchisee currently. We are working on this model, frankly speaking. But we are very keen and very shortly will come out with the models like master franchisee. Currently, what we are saying ki, we are frankly working on it. Master franchisee currently we are not.
So what you're saying is master franchisee based on the location city, you will customize.
It will be vary from location to location because the understanding the location's potential of that particular location, it get vary because for Ahmednagar district, if we think about, there are 2 to 3 locations we can give. For Nagpur, we can give around 5 to 7 locations or 10 locations also. For Kolhapur, we can give 5 locations. So master franchisee model, it will get vary from location to location. So there is no fixed platform for fixed pattern for the master franchisee currently. It will be absolutely get vary from every location to location. That I mean to say.
All right. So friends, we can rather discuss the model in case you're keen for a city-based model. It is not the entire region. It's a small city-based model where you can take the rights of the entire city, and based on the potential of number of units which can come in that city, you would customize the area or the city franchise model for you. Actually, another question which I want to pick up is on the overall business model. जहाँ पे आपने बताया हमारा APC is about 150 for 2 people. So which means in order to get that, there should be at least 65 bills of 2 people, for a full day. Now understanding the weekdays and the weekends, typically what flow of customers would come on weekdays and हमारा weekends कितना busy रहता है, because you also have, I am seeing you also have a small model which also has a seating, and between the people who walk into the outlet and between the orders online, क्या हमारा structure रहता है revenue का? Is this all currently from the outlet? Yes, में deliveries भी आपने डाला हुआ, deliveries भी हैं, and I'm sure you also have some platform like Swiggy or Zomato where supplies are made. So इसमें आपके कितने ऐसे bills होंगे जो आपके outlet पे आते हैं? How many bills would come online, and what is the
as we mentioned in the slide, around 80% people they used to come and dine in outlet. 20% is for takeaway and Zomato. So misal generally people prefer to sit in an outlet only and have it over there only. So this is the product where generally people sit in and dine it only. So 80% it comes from dine and 20% is from takeaway and Zomato. This is one part. In weekdays particularly, we used to do around 50-55 tables, so 60 bills also on weekdays, and weekends it get gradually increase around 75 to 80 or 90 sometimes, depend on situation. But on an average, it comes around 55 to 65, 70 bills, and 150 is the average cost which comes around.
Okay. Now coming on the food supply, you mentioned the entire food is prepared at the outlet, and there's certain supplies which come from the company. So which are the supplies which come from you? क्या उसका time रहता है? How does the supply chain work, and what are the products which are procured by the partner from the regional location?
Pardon, not getting
मैं
what you
कह रही हूँ
said.
जो भी आपका सप्लाई है, बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो मेंशन कुछ सप्लाईज विल कम फ्रॉम द आउटलेट, आपकी सेंट्रलाइज सप्लाईज होंगी जो फ्रेंचाइजी के पास जाएंगी. एंड सेकंड, you also mentioned the entire product would be prepared at the outlet. So what all supplies would come from you? कौन सी से supplies हैं जो locally procure करेंगे franchisee? And how does your supply chain work? क्या आपका time रहता है? आपने mention किया weekly. So how does that work? कितना time लगता है after the placement of the order? How much time would it take for a franchise partner to get the supplies? And at any given point in time, how much stock or supplies he needs to maintain, which comes from your centralized kitchen?
Okay. We are providing the masala which are in paste form and the farsan. These two are the products which we are supplying for all the outlets. If the outlets are in Pune, then they need to order for 2 days prior for any products, and they need to maintain a weekly stock with them. If the outlet is from outside of the Pune, then they will need to maintain a 15-day stock with them, and they need to order at least 3 to 4 days prior to maintain the proper food chain. So this is more than sufficient because we are not forcing more on more inventory because the reason is that these are the perishable things and quality of the product get deteriorate. So that is the reason we are keeping maximum 15 days stock is more than sufficient if you're keeping it with you. And 3 to 4 days prior order they need to be provided to us to prepare the masalas and sending it to the location.
Okay, and what typically is the shelf life of these gravies that are given? Because I'm seeing one of our viewers, Mr. Vipin, he's asking if you already have a store in Nagpur and from where the material comes. And he's asking if it comes from, say, Pune and Ahmedabad, it might, the life of the product or the shelf would reduce. So typically, हमारा shelf life क्या होता है product का? How long can it stay on the shelf? Because these are all perishable in nature.
Shelf life is around 3 months for the paste form, and farsan we prefer is up to maximum 1 month because farsan again we keep it open. The masala it's in pack form, so we can keep it for 3 months. There is no issue in that.
All right. And how about the PAV? I think PAV is also a very important part of the entire offering. So जो हमारे जितने भी vendors हैं, will the company help in procuring local vendors या ये जो आपकी specific supplies हैं, especially PAV हो गई, so these are centrally
No,
supplied to the partner या local vendors के through हम supply करेंगे?
we supply through local vendors, but we are having our own standard which we fix up with the local vendor, and as per that standard only we provide the pouch. So practically we are not sending it from the central kitchen.
All right. And I will also see some other questions. Isme I have Mr. Prashant Bharani, Prasad Bharani ji. He's asking, is there also a model which is franchisee owned and company operated, or we'll only go with the franchisee and franchisee operated model?
Franchisee and franchisee operated model.
So there's no FOCO model.
No.
Okay, Bitlji, another question is on the training, because training is an important aspect of any business, especially when it comes to F&B. While you mentioned it is not a very difficult operating structure and anybody can be trained to produce, but how would the training of the staff happen? आप centrally supply करेंगे? Would that be procured locally? And अगर local भी हम करते हैं, तो what kind of training is given to the staff, and for how long does the training happen for the kitchen staff? And क्या level of experience होना चाहिए? I will add, I think Mr. Shetty is asking, what should be the level of experience needed for the kitchen staff?
He need to be having at least 1 year of experience in kitchen. The main cook. I'm not saying chef because we need only a plain cook to prepare the thing, because the majorly things we already prepared at central kitchen and we're sending it to the outlet. So he just need to take that masala, add some water, the sprouts, the oil, and just mix it up at per the standard given by us. So it's become very easy process to prepare the same standard, same quality of gravy of misal. So for it, not required any particular or trained chef for this particular person. So any person from the franchise also can easily prepare the same standard, same quality of gravy of misal, and that is the beauty of our product. That is the beauty of misal wala, that we are not depend on the cooks particularly, because majority food outlets get stuck just because of they don't have the chefs, and they struggle because of this factor only, and we worked on this parameter only, and that's the reason we make this process so simple. And initially we do this, our chefs give 7 days of training to the franchisee owner and the staff they are having, and this 7 days training is more than sufficient. Ideally 2 days training is more than sufficient because our process is very slow, but still we are giving repeated training for 5 to 6 days or 7 days, so that it becomes more and more easier to them to understand how to prepare it and how to cook the things. So the dependency on chef or cook, it absolutely get reduced. So if some hurdles also happen, the franchise owner can easily run the outlet with hassle free.
All right. And the other is on the location. आपने locations अपनी presentation में cover किए थे. I think Maharashtra, Karnataka, that's where, you know, the entire community which loves this food is, and that's where the rollout is. But I am seeing some locations like AP. Will that be a location that you would want to get into?
Andhra Pradesh.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, we can. We are having few inquiries also currently from AP. So we can work in that particular area also.
एंड एक और क्वेश्चन मिथिल जी, बिकॉज कुछ लोकेशंस पे अभी आपका प्रेजेंस नहीं है, सो अगर हमारे पास ऐसे कोई इंक्वायरी आती है विच कैन बी एपी और मे बी सम अदर लोकेशंस, विल बी बी ओपन फॉर डूइंग अ यूनिट फ्रेंचाइजी, या हम पहले मास्टर या बड़ा यूनिट खोलेंगे एंड दैट्स व्हेन आवर सब यूनिट्स वुड कम अंडर, या हम डायरेक्टली यूनिट खोल सकते हैं उन लोकेशंस पे?
We are open for unit franchises also, but if we'll get the master franchisee, then that will be bigger exposure for the investor also. So for investor point of view, it will be really a bigger what do we say, opportunity for him also. So, but we are open for the both. Like,
Okay, how about Latur? I have somebody from Latur who's asking if Latur is a city where you wish to open. And एक और क्वेश्चन भी लूंगे बिकॉज आपका महाराष्ट्र, पुणे अराउंड यू ऑलरेडी रनिंग सम आउटलेट्स, अगर सेम सिटी से इंक्वायरी आती है, आप क्या रेडियस भी देंगे एक फ्रेंचाइजी को टू ऑपरेट?
yeah, absolutely. For B towns, we are keeping a 3 kilometers of radius for every outlet, because that outlet need to be justified. For taluka places, we are giving only one franchisee. There will be no second franchisee for taluka. For B towns, we are keeping 3 to 5 kilometers of distance, depend on if we go to Bid or Latur. So Latur is a small market. There are only 1 or 2 hubs. So we are giving 5 kilometer distance. But if you come to Pune, then 3 kilometer distance is sufficient. If you go to Mumbai, then 2 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer is sufficient, because after 1.5 kilometer, 2 kilometer, totally area is different, total market is different. But if you go for B town like Latur, then we can give 2 or 3 maximum, because there are dense market. There are few dense market in particular location.
The other question which I'm seeing is from Mr. Syed Shah, and you know, since Whistle is a very versatile product, and a lot of variations based on location that we go to can happen with the taste of the product, he would like to know how and when is the product innovation done, and especially if there are any special occasion or festivals as per the local demand, is there any kind of new product development that we bring in the menu?
Yeah, as I said, I just want to add this invention happened in 1984. So since last 35, 36 years, we are in missile business with the same authentic taste. The brand formation did in 1919. 2 years back, we form a brand, and the brand is working. So as he said, in any festival season, definitely in festival season, we did number of activities also. We offer number of schemes, then number of activities run in particular festival season also. So we are open definitely for all these things, because this is required to highlight your brand. This is required to grow your brand. So we are absolutely open for a number of things like. And if we are getting some good what do we say, ideas from our franchisee also, so definitely we are open to go with it, if it is suitable to all franchise outlets.
Okay. We have another question which is from Mr. Sudhir Gupta, and especially Maharashtra mein misal is a very, very popular food. Ghar se leke streets tak everybody is consuming and eating this product. He is from Nasik, Mr. Sudhir Gupta. He wants to know, being Nasik being a very big hub for misal, can the taste, service, and the ambience compete? You know, because there are many other players. So, how competitive would our product be with the other competition which is present, especially in markets like Nasik, where a lot of competition is present? So, what competitive edge you think we would have, against the other players who are there in the market?
Sir, I do agree with you, but I hope you agree with me that there are multiple missiles who are running in Nasik. I visited almost all missiles in Nasik, and all they are doing good. So we are having our own taste, no doubt. Nasik is having their own flavor, Kolhapur is having their own flavor, but Misralwala is also having their own flavor and the legacy. So definitely, every person want to try new taste, and they love to have new taste. And Nasik is very much, keen, and the people are very open to try new products like. So definitely our mission outlet run their superbly well, and there are few inquiries also from Nasik.
Okay, because he also says barbecue missile is a craze over here. So, do we have a menu which kind of includes all kind of menus which takes care of the local taste?
Our missile is connected to everyone's taste bud. So local taste again, it will be restricted to a particular area, but we are having the taste which suitable to all the locations. So definitely Nasik people, already a number of Nasik people visited our missile outlet in Pune also, and they love the taste. So definitely you will also love to have it.
Okay, very helpful. And another question which I'm seeing is on the food. Is it 100% vegetarian product, or it also has any other variation?
Oh, it's a 100% vegetarian product, so there is no red dot.
Mm. Very helpful, Vithalji. We tried and covered a lot of questions, and I'm seeing inquiries coming from small pockets of Maharashtra because you enjoy a great equity also in that market. You've been operating for last many years. What I would request is, from our audience who have come here, we can perhaps fix a date in the coming week. अगर आपको लगता है, and especially people from Pune, if you are local and you want to come and experience the outlet, I would also recommend that you go and visit one of the outlets in Pune, experience the food, the ambience, and have maybe a visit of a half day, which can include both experiencing of the food and also spend some time taking a tour of the entire outlet. We can do sometime in the coming week, Vital ji. कोई ऐसा डेट है जो आप सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं where we can bring in our prospective investors on a call with you, and somebody who's local are more than welcome to even come and visit. So maybe we can finalize a date if you think you have a date in your calendar available for the coming week, which could be maybe 16th or 17th. आज Tuesday है, so maybe if 16th is fine, maybe a week from today we can try and filter by that time and
Sure.
bring some prospective investors to you.
Sure.
Great. So friends, 16th is the date. Our teams from Pune will also reach out to you. And all of you who have sent your Q&As will take your queries on a priority. We'll fix time with Mr. Vittal for 16th. And in case you want to come and visit this outlet, we would also block and take time for the same. And before we sign off, Vittalji, I will request if you can maybe put a word and a last message to the audience which has come in today.
Okay. Lastly, I just want to say only one thing. Thanks for listening since last 1 hour. The last thing which I just want to add, Misal Wala is a brand is made for every person who loves taste of misal. This is absolutely authentic product, and you will love to have it. I don't want to summarize this. I just want to say you come, you just taste it, and then we'll have a conversation about it, because this is a food product, and in spite of instead of conversation, we need to taste it and then judge it. So that's the better way to clarify the products. So this is my humble request. When you'll get the time, surely come and have a word with us. So we are with you always.
Great, absolutely. Thank you so much, Vittalji, for coming in today. And friends, like we said, 16th is the day that we'll reach out to you. And yes, Mr. Gupta, we'll fix a call with you for Nasik. And we have captured all the comments which have come in. And we'll also share the details for Dharwad. Mr. Kishore from Dharwad would like to maybe have details for that location. We've captured your interest. Our teams will reach out to you in the due course of the time in this week to fix a call with Mr. Vittal and his team. Thank you so much, Vittalji, for coming in today. Over to you, Rachna.
So, thank you so much, Vittalji, for joining in today and presented your model with us. Thank you, Sonia ma'am, for sparing time and sharing your thoughts with us. We would like to thanks as well as we encourage all our dear participants to write to us, connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 83838. The entire team of Franchise India is waiting for your suggestion and feedback because that will help us improving our process. Please do connect with us at different social handles, information on your screen. You can also join Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited to revisit all the previously done webinars, definite submit as well as brands representation. Do connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. That's the information on your screen. And we invite and wish you to register yourself for our tomorrow's webinar, which is happening again sharp 12 p.m., where we'll try to bring a new opportunity for you. Bayleaf is the opportunity we are bringing for you tomorrow. A saloon business, and for Bombay, they are offering franchisee invested, company operated model. That's the brand we are bringing for you. Do registration today so that you can join us tomorrow sharp 12 p.m., where Jimit and his partner will join us to present their business model. Please do not miss the chance. Join us tomorrow. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy, eat healthy. Thank you so much. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, friends. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Vitali.